Hey YouTube. Alright, so today I got a wheel bearing replacement video for you on a 2002 Mustang GT. Should be the same for I think 95 to 04. I'm not sure about the newer ones, and I'm not even 100% positive about the 95 to 98. So this is, I know for sure, 99 to 04. So what you're going to need is an impact gun and then some air, and then where'd the tool go? Oh, here we go. And then to get it off, you're gonna need a 36 millimeter socket. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it off real quick and I'll show you guys. Slides right off. Mine went bad, so set that. Grab your new one. Slide it right on. Now you are supposed to replace this. I'm not going to replace it in mine right now, but you should. Alright, well that's pretty much it. The thing you are going to need to remove is the whole caliper and the rotor. So there's 2 bolts on the back of the caliper right here, right there. And then you're going to pull the whole caliper off right there. And then to get the brake pads off and this whole piece, you're going to need to remove these. I think these 2 are 13s and these are 15s. So, and then you're just going to go ahead and slide it all back on, and I'll show you what it looks like after I'm done. Alright, there's the new one. It's on there. There's the old one. The bearing went out on that one, so I replaced it. There's a lot of, it sounded like it was rubbing. It's just the inner plastic well. There's where it was rubbing. I replaced the springs, stock ones. So that way I can get my ride quality back. But yeah, there it is. Like I said, you are supposed to replace this. But I'm just gonna wait. I needed to do it now. I was tired of it rubbing or making that rubbing sound. So yeah, if you could like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. And like I said, subscribe. That way you can keep coming back for more. I'll be doing a lot more videos on this.